If you're into dropshipping, you've probably heard of the companies called Zendrop and AutoDS. And in this video, I will compare them both on things such as what has better features, better pricing, and more. And then in the end, I will share my honest opinion on which tool is better and which tool I'm actually using right now to make me thousands of dollars online. Now, before we get into this, I also have a little giveaway in this video. So if you want to win $500, then make sure to watch the video all the way through the end to see how you can qualify and enter this giveaway. But now let's get started. All right, so both Zendrop and AutoDS are dropshipping tools that are mainly focused on finding winning products. But they also offer different things such as fulfillment services. And that already brings me to my first point I want to talk about, and that are the different features. While both have these product research and fulfillment services, AutoDS has a lot more features. For example, if you want to find a product on here, they have different sections such as winning products, handpicked products, and a product marketplace and everything. And in these tabs, you can also filter with keywords and a lot of other stuff, while on Zendrop you mainly have to search for a product. Now still, Zendrop offers a good collection of products, but what I found is that Zendrop mostly sticks with the old features and doesn't really bring any new updates, while AutoDS rolls out new features every once in a while. For example, they've just recently added this AI website builder, which basically generates your whole website for your Shopify store so you don't have to build that, which is really cool. And now they even have a feature that just released for TikTok Shop to get data about other creators and everything and find products for TikTok Shop. So that are some really good features. So I think AutoDS is more of like a all-in-one dropshipping tool compared to Zendrop, who basically just focuses a lot on the product research side. On AutoDS, you basically have a lot of different features and you don't need to buy subscriptions to 5 different tools or so. You have it all in one place. So here I will definitely give the point to AutoDS because they just have way more features, and even the product research tools are, in my opinion, just better because you can filter everything and find way better products that fit your store and will sell well. Now for the fulfillment process, I tried it out on both AutoDS and Zendrop. I used Zendrop a lot in the past, and from my experience, the fulfillment works just fine. I mean, you have to just pay a little fee and then they fulfill your product for you, but it's really limited because you can only fulfill products that are listed on Zendrop, while on AutoDS they actually also help you source products that are not listed on their site. So if you have a product you really badly want to sell, you can import it to AutoDS and they will help you source it and fulfill it for you, which is just really good. But now, of course, when we look at all these different features AutoDS has and Zendrop has slightly less, what about the pricing? Does one cost way more than the other? So for the pricing, what we can see that Zendrop offers a free plan, a $49 per month plan, and a $79 per month plan. Now, the free plan on Zendrop is really cut down on its features, and even if you just have like 2 orders a day, you will soon need to upgrade to the paid plan, either the second plan for $49 or the more expensive one. Now on AutoDS, on the other hand, there are a lot of different plans. First of all, your pricing depends on what kind of platform you're selling on. And for Shopify, the range for the pricing goes from $20 a month to $50 a month. So you can see that the most expensive plan is already a bit cheaper than Zendrop, while it still has more features. Now, the reason why it's in a range is because AutoDS basically fits the plan perfectly to your store. If you have little sales still, then it doesn't cost as much as if you have more sales. And I must say, I really like this concept. It's kind of helping out people that are just getting into dropshipping so they don't have to pay these expensive prices and can start out slow, and once the store actually makes more money, then they will also be charged a bit more by AutoDS. But now back to the free plan. Of course, Zendrop has a free plan and AutoDS doesn't, but here's the great thing actually, because AutoDS frequently offers 30-day free trials so you can try everything out for free, and I happen to have one of these links to the 30-day free trial. So if you check out the link in the description down below, you can actually get a free trial on AutoDS for 30 days, try all the features out, see how you like it, and if you like it, you can pay the subscription or just cancel it anytime again. So this is definitely something I would recommend you guys to check out, because you can just try it for yourself instead of listening to me. So now, to my honest opinion, I actually think that AutoDS is just so much worth it, especially because of the 30-day free trial where you can just try everything out yourself. I used to use Zendrop a lot in the past, like 6, 7, 8 months ago, and then I switched to AutoDS actually, and when I switched switched to AutoDS, I found way better products and actually started making money with dropshipping. It's all documented on my channel, so you can basically just go back to the old videos where I used Zendrop and then see when I did the switch, I actually started making money. So from my personal experience, this is definitely the better tool to be using. And I don't think I'm the only one thinking this, because there's a lot of big dropshippers out there like Biohazard and other people that are also using AutoDS. And even if we look at Trustpilot, you can see that Zendrop has 4.7 stars, which is really good with 5,000 reviews, but AutoDS has 9,000 reviews and 4.8 stars, so almost double the reviews and still a little higher score, which is just really good. So with that said, just try it out for yourself. I can only recommend AutoDS. There's a link in the description where you can get the 30-day free trial and see if you like it. So this was it for the video, and as I said, there's a giveaway of the $500. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is to sign up through the link in the description to AutoDS and just try it out for yourself completely free, and then comment your favorite part about this video down below, leave a like and subscribe, and then you're entered in the giveaway. I will have a look at the sign up list on AutoDS and see who started the free trial, and then pick one person from there, message them here in the comment section, and they will win. So the best of luck to all of you guys, and this was it with this video. Bye.